Hi and welcome to Quick Tips number 8, and I was asked how one would go about changing the function used in a divergence program from one function to another. In fact, the questioner asked to change it to a function you'd written yourself, but I don't really think that makes too much difference, and what we're going to be looking at here is changing tutorial 4, which is probably the simplest divergence program that I've written, from using a stochastic function to using an RSI function. So here we have it applied to the chart at the moment. What I've done is I've just changed or modified, tidied up the program a little bit, and what we're going to do is modify this program to use RSI. Now, just a quick word about functions. There are functions that return one value, like the RSI function. There are functions that return several values, like the stochastic, which actually returns 5 values: O fast K, O fast D, O slow K, O slow D, two of which are the same, and also stochastic to show whether the stochastic calculation has been successful. So what we're going to do is we're going to calculate an RSI. And what I've done is created a new variable called RSI value and set it to the value of the function RSI, and that has two inputs, the price and the length, and of course you can make that the length into an input. We're just going to keep it simple. And then what we're going to do now in the rest of the program is just look wherever we're using O slow D, we're going to change it for RSI val. So this is the pivot. This is finding out whether a pivot has occurred in the oscillator, in this case the RSI, and we can change that as well. And as we go down, checking for divergence, we need to compare the prices when RSI val at the particular pivot bars. Can't see anything else. Then we probably want to just change the oscillator as well. So let's verify that and go to the chart where this is already applied, and you can see the RSI plotted now at the bottom, and you can see a situation there where we have a little potential divergence, another one there, and so on. Now, some of the other programs are a wee bit more complicated than tutorial 4. So if we just go to, for example, tutorial 26, which is also using the stochastic. So in terms of this program, again, we would have to do twice as much work because we're looking for bullish divergences and bearish ones. But essentially what we would do is go through the program and change all the O slow D for the other oscillator, and then the program would be good to go.